In this video, you will learn how to connect Temu to Shopify. You will need to use a third-party app or service, as Temu does not have an official integration with Shopify at this time. However, there are some general ways to link Shopify with platforms like Temu, in case you want to sell any Temu products through your Shopify store, or synchronize any orders. First, use a dropshipping or import app, such as Spocket, DSwerp, or Oblo. Also, you can use custom integration apps via API. Connect Shopify to Temu's product catalog or order system. This would require programming skills and access to both platforms' data. However, you could also manually input products. Manually add products, search for the product you want to sell on Temu, then manually add it to your Shopify store. Then, you can sync inventory if you want to update them manually. Finally, you can use an automated fulfillment solution. Automated fulfillment solution or third-party services to help with your order processing, shipping, and managing your customer information. Finally, overall, there are no direct integrations available for Temu and Shopify, but there are definitely some workarounds. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.